Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs. Housing an extensive collection of iconic global brands, Platypus shoes pride themselves on stocking the latest and greatest footwear and apparel. Their ranges are carefully selected so you can find a treasured iconic style or a newly engineered silhouette. With a team that walk and talk sneakers and a store base of over 122 locations spanning Australia and New Zealand, you're sure to find your perfect pair. Platypus don't try to be anything but who they are. They're an avenue for you to tell your story, whether you're a trendsetter, trend follower, or an individual. Platypus value your ability to create your own personal style. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please do watch our other kicks and sneaker series. How to save at Platypus. It doesn't matter if you're a sneaker addict or just want to be comfortable on your feet. You can find incredible footwear at equally incredible prices when you make use of these savings tips we've compiled for you. 1. Find the latest Platypus discount codes online. 2. Shop at Platypus Outlet to save up to 70% on selected styles. 3. Students can save an extra 10% on all orders. 4. Spend at least $130 to have your order optional free shipping. 5. Collect your order in-store for free. 6. Visit the Platypus homepage to find deals such as 70% off on Doc Martens and half price on Nike clothing and footwear. Have you had the chance to visit Melbourne, Australia? Or are you planning a visit soon? Please comment down below. Thank you for watching.